Was it a ruling or a statement from a judge
who
said the NSA's spying on phones is almost certainly unconstitutional? Have I got that right?
Yes, and
it's
the reason,
very important.
Yes, the reason for the almost certainly is this is a preliminary ruling, and the judge stayed the effect of the ruling until it can be appealed to a higher court. Yeah. But basically, some plaintiffs, people who use Verizon, and almost certainly were among the 113 million whose phone records were initially seized, filed a complaint saying, this violates my constitutional rights. I want it stopped now. Now, when you ask for immediate relief, this is not the final resolution. It's an immediate decision. The judge has to decide, are you likely to prevail? If you are likely to prevail, are you harmed now? If you're harmed now, are you entitled to immediate relief? The judge answered all three of those questions, yes. And in deciding, are you likely to prevail, he basically said, the Constitution does not permit the Congress to authorize the FISA court to authorize this kind of spying. That if you want to spy on somebody for a day or so, you could probably do it. But to spy on everybody, quote, world without end, I'm quoting the case, these are not my words, is an absolute and direct violation of the Fourth Amendment.
Are you going to keep me safe, Judge, by declaring this unconstitutional? Do we deny the government the ability to track potential terrorists and their phone records?
You know, I sat on the bench in our home state for many years. I probably signed hundreds, maybe thousands of search warrants. If the police came to me and said, we want a search warrant for everybody in this zip code because we're looking for one bad guy, I wouldn't have signed it, and no
Hold on, Judge.
judge in the state would have signed it.
There's search warrants and search warrants. This is to ask for tracking of phone numbers and phone calls, not necessarily to listen into them.
The tracking of the calls, and the judge articulates this in the opinion, results in the preservation of the conversation to which the NSA has access forever, for as long as they keep the records. Are you going to be kept safe? The appropriate question is, are you going to be kept free?